Postpartum nutrition and meal planning for new moms. Hello new moms. Congratulations on the arrival of your little one. Today we're going to talk about postpartum nutrition and meal planning to help you feel your best during this important recovery period. Proper nutrition is crucial for your body to heal and recover after childbirth, and it's essential for maintaining your energy levels and overall health while you adjust to life with a newborn. First, let's talk about the importance of nutrition during the postpartum period. Your body has been through a lot, and it needs proper nourishment to recover. In addition to providing the nutrients your body needs, a healthy diet can also help with milk production, promote healing, and boost your immune system. One of the most important nutrients for new moms is protein, as it helps with tissue repair and growth. Make sure to include sources of protein in every meal, such as lean meats, eggs, dairy, nuts, and legumes. You'll also want to focus on getting plenty of iron, calcium, and vitamin D to support bone health and prevent anemia. Now let's talk about meal planning. As a new mom, your time and energy may be limited, so planning ahead is key. Here are some tips for making meal planning and preparation easier. Number 1. Meal prep. Set aside some time each week to prep meals and snacks in advance. This can include washing and chopping vegetables, cooking batches of grains and proteins, and portioning out snacks. Number 2. One-pot meals. Look for recipes that can be made in one pot or pan, such as soups, stews, and casseroles. These meals are often easy to prepare and can be reheated throughout the week. Number 3. Freezer meals. Consider making and freezing meals in advance, so you have healthy options ready to go when you need them. Number 4. Healthy snacks. Keep healthy snacks on hand, such as fresh fruit, veggies and hummus, yogurt, nuts, and energy bars. These snacks can help you stay energized and satisfied between meals. Number 5. Don't forget hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for postpartum recovery and milk production. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water a day, and keep a water bottle nearby for easy access. In addition to proper nutrition, it's also important to listen to your body and get enough rest. Your body has been through a major event, and it needs time to heal. Try to nap when your baby naps, and don't be afraid to ask for help with household chores and errands. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. We hope these tips will help you feel your best during the postpartum period. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your little one. Don't forget to subscribe to Pregnant for more tips and advice on your pregnancy and postpartum journey. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your new journey as a mom.